All right, this is the Monday, November 13th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let's start with a couple cameras across the region here during the 5 o'clock hour. There's the Greensboro Tower camera. Not a lot of fog at that camera location to start the day, but there are some areas of dense fog out there early this morning. For instance, there's Charlotte, Dowd YMCA camera, socked in with fog in the Queen City early this morning. And a lot of fog kind of settling in the wake of a cold front, which has cleared on through the region. Of course, there's a look toward Bank of America Stadium. The Panthers hosting the Dolphins. Monday Night Football coming up this evening. Looks fine weather-wise for that. A lot of cloud cover yesterday. We had one of our Carolina wedge scenarios, chilly, drizzly, rainy kind of day on Sunday. And in terms of rain amounts, 4,200 of an inch of rain in the rain bucket at the PTI Airport, surplus over 3.5 inches for the year. And in Charlotte, 4,300 of an inch of rainfall throughout the day Sunday, and a surplus approaching 6 inches. Pretty wet 2017 overall. Now, these were the highs yesterday. Certainly a chilly weather setup. A lot of highs in the 40s, and even all the way down into North Georgia, you had temperatures that held in the upper 40s through a lot of the day on Sunday. There were your Triad area high temperatures, 40s. Charlotte region, 40s in most spots. So definitely a chilly weather setup. All right, let's look at 5,000-foot temperatures here off the European model here and notice a little bit of this milder air kind of creeping in throughout the week. A lot of temperatures near or below average, just a little bit. But here comes the next big shot of cold air heading down early next week. I think Sunday and Monday we see the effects of that around the region. So for high temperature trends here in Greensboro, a lot of near to slightly below average highs until you get down toward the weekend, and Sunday and Monday of next week looking fairly chilly. Similar temperature trend for the highs around the Charlotte region over the next week. All right, temperatures this morning still in the 40s. A lot of the mountains, foothills, and Piedmont. The rain from last night continuing to slowly work eastward up and down I-95 here during the 5 o'clock hour. And there's the high-resolution future radar product showing you that rain exiting as we get a little bit deeper into the day. Otherwise, have some snow flying this morning, parts of Pennsylvania and New York, and then you have to go all the way to the west coast to find the next storm system there, parts of Washington, Oregon, Northern California getting hit with that next system down the line, which is still a few days away from here. So our weather will be improving today. We'll see some intervals of sunshine working into the region, and as that occurs, our highs get a little bit milder this afternoon. So milder today than where we have been. For instance, we'll take a look at the Greensboro skycast today, around 58 for your high, partially sunny sky overhead. As we get on into tomorrow, I think we're looking at a pretty nice weather setup once again. Some decent intervals of sun. Your Tuesday highs shape up like that. Wednesday, pretty quiet. The bottom line is most of the work week is pretty quiet. That next cold front that approaches basically will fall apart before it gets here. So Wednesday, we're looking pretty good. Our Wednesday high temperatures in the 50s. Thursday, a little bit milder. Friday looks just fine, too. And then over the weekend, that's when that next cold front approaches. So Saturday, some showers a possibility with that next cold front, followed by the chillier air taking over as we get into Sunday and Monday. All right, tropical update time. It is still tropical season officially for a couple more weeks. There's the Atlantic Basin. Relatively quiet. No sign of any tropical development over the next several days. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.